Hello, I'm Dr. Ethan Blake. Today we're going to talk about the secrets of easing joint pain and strengthening health in older adults. Many of you know how hard it is to live with constant pain. Over 50% of people older than 60 experience arthritis, but you'll be surprised how much simple home practices can help. Science shows that slow, deep breathing really reduces pain. A meta-analysis demonstrated that patients reported significantly less pain after specific breathing exercises compared with controls. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7, then exhale through the mouth for 8. This promotes relaxation and helps the body produce natural pain-reducing responses. Massage is another powerful ally. Studies show that massage of the thigh and calf muscles in older patients with knee osteoarthritis significantly reduces pain and improves mobility. For example, self-massage of the legs, working from the knee down and back up with moderate pressure, improves circulation and eases muscle tightness. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day of foot and lower leg rubbing can produce surprising benefits. Nutrition also matters. Anti-inflammatory foods can help dial down pain from the inside. Add ginger, turmeric, garlic, and leafy greens to your diet. These foods suppress inflammation. A popular option is golden milk, warm milk with turmeric and black pepper, or tart cherry. Researchers note that certain cherries help reduce arthritis symptoms. Additionally, bone broth is rich in collagen and amino acids that nourish cartilage and can reduce arthritic pain. Regularly consuming such a broth helps support joints and improves overall condition. Finally, stay active. Gentle exercise and walking strengthen muscles and keep joints more mobile. This is an essential part of preventing flare-ups. By following these simple steps, breathing, massage, and anti-inflammatory nutrition, you can noticeably reduce pain, strengthen your body, and enjoy movement again without fear. Thank you for taking a few minutes to watch. I appreciate you being here. You'll find links to the studies and additional resources in the description. If you try the 7-day routine, write your results in the comments. I personally read them and reply when I can. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe and share it with someone who might benefit.